Good morning. So this page is the bingo quadratic equations page for solving them. You can choose your questions if you want it 3 by 3 or 4 by 4. You can say if you want the answers, like a running answers. And then you can also turn off different things. It looks like you've covered a lot of it, but if you want to focus just on, say, like prime or just on like a certain formula, you can turn on or off different ones. If you want negative numbers or not, and random letters. So you may want to have it, if you have it just so they know these certain letters, but you can have random letters. So let's start. So we have put 16 of these in your grid. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's a lot to choose from. So on their grid, they would write these. So they would put these on your grid. So pick 16 of them. Okay. So then they would solve this. So they're solving it. They're looking at their bingo paper and seeing if they have the answer to this. And then when you're done, you can hit show answer. Okay, so first person, fill it in or put little clips or chips over it. So I can give you chips. Ooh, I had bingo sheets at my last school. I don't know if I have them here. I can print you bingo sheets. So I can print you bingo sheets, but even that, they can take a blank piece of paper or even a paper, fold it, put it in lines. I may just show you that too, so that way we don't have to print anything. How to make your own bingo paper. Okay, so next question. There's the next question. So here's the running list of answers. So show the answer. So then it keeps showing you more answers. So you can see on my bingo sheet, I should have x equals -1, and then x equals -8, x equals, and so I can keep, showing those. And then if somebody actually yells bingo, if you're into the game. But again, I really like the fact that you can take on and off the different types of equations that you're using. You can say negative numbers, not negative numbers. So, but this is a great way for them to explore the quadratic equations, but also hopefully with help with their speed and their accuracy of it, and practice with the whole class, but also they don't have to have any sort of technology. You just need a bingo sheet. So bingo sheet is, so it looks like, so if we did a 3 by 3, choose 9 of these. So it'd be 3 across, 3 down. So it's not necessarily, bingo. It's just, 3 columns by 3 columns. So really, if you fold your paper into thirds, so 1 line, 2 lines, and 1 line, 2 lines, you can make a 3 by 3. And then if you wanted to do the 4 by 4, fold it, twice? So fold it twice. So fold the paper. So I'll fold some papers and show you an example of this. And then this will look much prettier. I'll put it on here so you can see, here's the link to it. Here's what it's for. Does it require technology? Yes or no? So that way you can play this. So again, this is solving quadratic equations, bingo. It formulates the questions for you. You can do a 3 by 3 grid or a 4 by 4 grid, and then you can have them play bingo in class. So this may be let's get through this little part of the lesson that we need to from Savas first, and then we're going to play bingo. But we need to be, listening and practicing so we can actually play this, and it would help them. All right. Thank you. That's quadratic equations. Bingo.